Today, we're gonna unbox a Google Pixel XL. Hey, and look at here on the desk. There it is, the Google Pixel XL. Now, time for the unboxing. So this is probably going to be the world's first one-armed unboxing. Now, if you want to know what happened, click the video there, maybe there, or down in the description. And yeah, you could see my fail army as I endoed over my nephew's BMX. So yeah, anyhow, I'm going to stay off the BMX bikes from here on in. Need scissors. So we're gonna come over here, get some scissors. I don't know. Kids, be careful with scissors. Especially if you only have one arm. So, here we go. We got you guys in focus here. There we go. Alright. Scissors. Security tape. Cut. Can't really get it that side. Security tape. Peel. I think I'm doing pretty good with one hand, don't you? One arm, don't you guys think so? Alrighty. Oh yeah. And that's it. Isn't it golden? Okay. Hey there! Need to activate your new SIM card? Ooh, do I have one? Oh yeah, ready. Perfect. SIM card. Pixel. And that's it. A one-armed unboxing of a Google Pixel XL. Actually, we should really do some more, right? Because like it's still in the box. So okay, keep going here. Beautiful slide box. Yep. Yeah, everybody can see. Nice slide box. Really hard to slide with one hand. But making it work. Okay, there we go. So that's out. Pixel. Box. Alright. First impressions. Here we go. There's tape. Well, this might prove to be a little difficult. Whoop, 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 whoop. You know, it's really hard to do things with one arm. Okay. I'm not ready to go. Don't want to destroy the box. Don't really have the fingernails to pick at this little sticker. Wow, Google, like, good job on the sticky dot here. Let me tell you. Probably not smart with scissors so close to the face. Probably not smart. Okay. Okay, let's... Aha. Bingo! Bet you haven't seen one open like that before. Ooh, yeah, and here she is. Okay, so here it is. My new Google Pixel XL. There we go. Nice little sleeve. Okay. Alright. Definitely a nice feel. You know, good looking phone. USB, yeah, USB-C on the bottom there. Okay. Let's see if it's got any juice. Can we see if it's got any juice? Are we in focus here? Alrighty. Power. There we go. So, loading. See what else is in here. Oh, nice little cable. Very, very nice. I am really good at this one-handed thing here, guys. Oh, defeat. Defeat on this piece. I don't think I can one-hand it. Oh. There we go. I found the edge. I found the edge. We're okay. Yeah, we're good. There we go. One-handed it. What's this? Oh, that's like, hey, that's alive. That's like, this is really cool. This would be a USB kind of like expansion sort of adapter thing going on here. USB-C, regular USB. Probably plug that in the bottom. Okay, wicked. Huh. Okay, so this would be your sync cable. And this here would be the charging cable. Which is interesting. USB-C to USB-C. So see, this is not a regular USB. You see that? I wish I had two hands right now. I can't really push the button to focus it. But hey, there you are. USB-C, USB-C to C cable. But I can't get the tape off again. Hold on, guys. I can find the edge. There we go. Alright. Use my teeth. Savage. There we go. Alright, so we've got USB C to C. You're just saying let's go. See? Let's go. Here. I'll put that there. So we are ready, guys. Let's go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe by hitting that little button there below that says subscribe. And if you like this video, definitely smash that like button. And we'll see you in the near future. Take it easy out there, everyone. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.